As the mosquito season descends upon the UK, the buzzing pests can become more than just a nuisance. Mosquitoes are notorious for their bites, which can cause itching and discomfort. But more importantly, they are vectors for serious diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and the Zika virus. Therefore, finding effective ways to keep them at bay is essential. While chemical pesticides are an option, many people prefer natural methods to avoid the potential health risks associated with synthetic chemicals. Enter Krissa Gonzalez, a pest control expert from Mosquito Shield, who offers insights on how to repel mosquitoes using natural scents. Understanding mosquito behavior. Mosquitoes rely heavily on their sense of smell to locate their targets. They are attracted to carbon dioxide, body heat, and various body odors, particularly lactic acid produced from sweat. By overwhelming their olfactory senses with strong, unpleasant scents, it is possible to mask the attractants and keep mosquitoes at a distance. According to Krissa, natural mosquito deterrents create the barrier around your home and mask your mosquito attractants. Pesticides can't do that. Effective natural mosquito repellents. Several plants and essential oils are known to have mosquito-repelling properties. These natural repellents work by emitting strong odors that mosquitoes find unpleasant or by containing compounds that disrupt their sensory receptors. Here are some of the most effective natural mosquito repellents recommended by experts. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus, particularly the oil of lemon eucalyptus, OLE, is highly effective at repelling mosquitoes. The sweet, piney, and minty aroma of eucalyptus leaves can be used to create a mosquito-free zone around your home. Placing eucalyptus leaves on windowsills or using OLE products can provide substantial protection. Krissa notes, Consumer Reports tested multiple OLE products and found that they offer between 5 to 7 hours of complete protection. Lavender. Lavender is another powerful natural mosquito repellent. Its soothing fragrance is pleasant to humans but repulsive to mosquitoes. You can utilize lavender in various forms, hanging sachets, burning candles, or planting lavender around your home. Additionally, lavender-infused body products such as lotions or hair products can offer personal protection against bites. The strong smell of lavender may make it difficult for mosquitoes to track you down by your lactic acid. Its linalool oil is also an alcohol that inhibits mosquito receptors the same way over-the-counter bug spray does, Krissa explains. Other effective plants and oils. Other plants and essential oils that can repel mosquitoes include citronella. Widely known for its mosquito-repelling properties, citronella oil is derived from lemongrass and can be used in candles, sprays, or lotions. Peppermint. The strong scent of peppermint oil can mask attractants and irritate mosquitoes. Basil. This aromatic herb can be grown in gardens or pots around the home to deter mosquitoes. Lemon balm. With a scent similar to citronella, lemon balm can be used in homemade sprays or planted in gardens. Homemade mosquito repellent spray. Creating your own mosquito repellent spray at home is a simple and cost-effective way to keep these pests at bay. Most natural mosquito repellents are essential oils that can be mixed with water to create an effective spray. Here's a basic recipe for a homemade mosquito spray. 1. Ingredients: 10-15 drops of eucalyptus oil or lavender oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar or coconut oil, 1 cup of water. 2. Instructions: combine the ingredients in a spray bottle. Shake well to mix. Spray around windows, doors, and other entry points to create a barrier. This homemade spray works by masking human scents such as body odor and carbon dioxide, while also emitting smells that mosquitoes despise. Krissa explains, each of these solutions works on the same principles we've covered, masking our signals like lactic acid built up from sweat or our CO2 emissions from breathing. Pet-friendly alternatives. While essential oils can be highly effective, they can also be toxic to pets, especially cats and dogs. Therefore, pet owners should consider alternative natural repellents. One effective pet-friendly option is a mixture of fresh lemon juice and water. The citrus scent is unappealing to mosquitoes and safe for use around pets. Mosquitoes are more than just an annoyance. They pose significant health risks. However, by using natural scents and plants, you can effectively repel mosquitoes without resorting to harsh chemicals. Eucalyptus, lavender, citronella, peppermint, basil, and lemon balm are all excellent choices for keeping mosquitoes at bay. Homemade sprays using essential oils or pet-friendly alternatives like lemon juice can provide additional protection. By understanding how these natural repellents work and incorporating them into your home and personal care routines, you can enjoy a mosquito-free environment throughout the mosquito season.